Welcome to day 1 of using what's left in Down's fridge.
Hey.
Sorry, day 1. It was typical morning. She asked for something light, less than 5 minutes. Chat GPT gives her a few options. Banana protein smoothie might work for her. In goes the banana, frozen for a year. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a generous amount of milk, and a scoop of newly purchased vanilla protein powder. Time for the first ever blend. With the fascinating blender she completely forgot she owned. Okay, definitely not her favorite color. But hey, it looks like she's enjoying it. 1 small win, 1 less banana in the freezer.